President Emmerson Mnangagwa is once again turned to familiar political faces, appointing Evelyn Ndlovu as the new Environment Minister, replacing Sithembiso Nyoni, in what critics are calling a classic case of recycling political deadwood. Sandapena mashko obuda panapa tunot aiwa vanhu vachikomenda pamusoro pe the new aiwa minister vaappointed wa environment oliver subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina mzimu ayamudanyira chiti. In a press statement issued by the Chief Secretary to President and Cabinet Dr. Martin Rushwaya, dated April 11, 2025, Mnangagwa appointed Ndlovu, long-time ZANU-PF loyalist and former Education Minister Evelyn Ndlovu as the new Environment Minister. Ndlovu has previously served in various government roles, mostly notably as the Minister of State for Bulawayo Province. While a reappointment may be seen as a reward for loyalty, it has raised eyebrows among observers who argue that Mnangagwa is failing to introduce new talent into government. Instead of choosing to reshuffle long-serving officials with questionable track records, the ousted Minister Sithembiso Nyoni, who had held the environment portfolio since the last cabinet reshuffle, had herself been in and out of government for decades. A veteran of Mugabe era, Nyoni served as the Small and Medium Enterprise Minister and later as the Women Affairs Minister, Community, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Minister before being moved to the Environment Ministry. The sources said the appointment of Ndlovu reflects Mnangagwa's reluctance to break the past and his tendency to fall back on a small pool of trusted allies, many of whom have already had their turn in cabinet carousel. This is not about performance or innovation, it's about loyalty, control and optics, the source said. Ndomashikaruda panapa pachioneka kunzi aiwa the new minister waappointiwa panguva ine vaoneka kunzi aiwa now the leader achambotsvaki vafana vechidiki vane innovation, but panapa akutamba neloyalty kuti vanhu vatozova totrusta aiwa ndivo vatinopa aiwa mapositions nemapost atoziva kuti havazokonzeresi chaos in our own party. Tudze mafunguro imo tikudi pamusoro pechiitiko chipinda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.